Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to rotate one page in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. You can adjust the orientation for both text fragment and the entire document. First, let's rotate all the sheets in the document. Go to the Layout tab, click Orientation and select Landscape. After that, all the pages in the document will stand horizontally. Okay, what if we need to rotate only part of the text? We can select a blank sheet, rotate it and copy the text fragment we need there. Or simply select a text fragment that should be located on a rotated sheet. Select Page Setup on the Layout tab, namely click on this arrow in the right corner. In the menu that opens, set the orientation to landscape and set the Apply To option to the selected text. After confirmation, the selected fragment will be placed on a separate sheet in landscape orientation. Now let's rotate a few sheets right in the middle of the document. Place the cursor at the end of the page, in front of the one we want to rotate, and click on the Breaks menu and then select from the next page. And the second break could be placed after the first page, but I will put it after the second page. We put the cursor at the end of the second page and put a break after the next page. Okay, now click on Orientation and select Landscape. We separated these two pages from the rest of the document and landscape orientation was applied only to these two pages. Now then a little more, thanks for watching.